Alright, so there's a fish right out here. It's last 10-20 minutes of sunlight. Bring out about 5 to 10 feet off the shore. And it's a popper frog. So I'm just gonna pop it right in. There it is, right there. Oh yeah. Woo! I love these frogs. Get these frogs out here in the late summer. Come on. There we go. That one's fresh. So there's a good fish right there. Not a super awesome, but I got a good hook set on it. Come on, fish. Yes. He was not coming off of there. He's stuck right in that cartilage there. There he goes. That's a good one. Nice fish. So, sweet. That's a good one. On the frog. So you can see, really tore the frog up. That was a 4th or 5th cast tonight, so I think it's doing pretty good. I'll pull a few more out. So, alright. There's what it's supposed to look like. You know, just a popper frog. And so I caught one here. I'll move down and get another one.